Well, boys, I can't help but get all pissed off, right? I watch these videos where all these dicks got badass classic cars and they're fixing up this and fixing up that and fucking... I got in it and the goddamn door handle flew off onto the floor, snapped right in fucking tween. And everybody... I'm sure you know these are just easier than shit to come by anymore. For fuck's sakes. Boys, I just can't fucking goddamn win. Sorry for the obscenities. Sorry for the pissiness. But unlike the rest of you, I don't seem to be able to take this all in stride. I'm just sick of fucking dealing with shit. Hey, buy a new vehicle. As soon as somebody wants to fucking give me the goddamn house worth of money to fucking buy a new piece of shit that'll break down in fucking a year, let me know. Alright, stove it.